Lesson number 39, metric measurement units. So the metric system is what most of the world uses outside of America, and we use it sometimes in America. So the conversion process is still the same. You're just using different numbers now. The units are different. So we're talking about length in the metric system. We talk about centimeters, millimeters, meters, and if it's very long, kilometers. If we're talking about capacity, again, how much something can hold, we use liters and milliliters. And if you use mass, how heavy something is, we use grams, milligrams, kilograms, and if it's very big, a metric ton. Now, metric conversion is actually much easier than customary conversion because everything in the metric system is based on a 10-based system, meaning everything is 10 times or 1,000 times the other measurement. So converting back and forth in the metric system is actually quite simple. All right, so let's go look at some problems. Anderson is running a 5-kilometer race with 350 meters left to run. His shoelaces untied. How many meters had Anderson run before his shoelaces untied? All right, well, very simple. All my answers are in meters. So first things first, let's convert to meters. Well, he ran 5 kilometers. Each kilometer is 1,000 meters. So the race was 5,000 meters. But his shoelaces came untied with 350 left. So we take 5,000 and we minus that 350, which leaves us with 4,650 meters is how much he ran before his shoelaces came untied. Let's look at another problem. The mass of a box of books is 6 kilograms. Each book inside the box has a mass of 300 grams. How many books are inside the box? Well, first things first, let's figure out how much 6 kilograms is. So 6 kilograms and 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So that tells us that the mass of the box of books is 6,000 grams. All right. Well, then all we do is we take our 6,000 grams and we divide it by 300 because that's how much each book weighs. All right. And what are we left with? We're left with 20. And the last example, a rectangular poster is 1.25 meters long and 67 centimeters wide. Which sentence is true? All right, well, let's convert my 1.25 meters to centimeters first, okay? So we get the same measurement. So I've got 1.25. Now, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so I'm going to multiply it by 100, all right? Which leaves me with, all right, 125 cm, all right? Well, then all I do is I take my 125 cm, because I've subtract that 67 cm, and that leaves me with 58 cm. So the poster is 58 centimeters longer than it is wide.